Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox mobile keyboard glitch. Alright, it's pretty easy to fix. Now the first thing you need to do here is to make sure that Roblox isn't running in the background. Alright, just go ahead and close everything right here. Mainly the Roblox app. Alright, once done, just go ahead and go to your settings app right here. And then locate the apps section. Locate Roblox right here. Tap on that. Then what you're going to want to do in here is go to storage right here. First, make sure to clear the cache. All right, clear cache. Once done, go ahead and clear data or clear storage. All right, as you can see here, I have the option clear storage. Yours might have the option clear data. If you have an iOS, make sure that you click on or tap on offload data or offload app. All right, again, offload, that's a keyword. Once done, just go ahead and run the game again and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.